What's the best finance advice you've ever gotten?
Save $20 a day. 20 a day times 365, 7,003 a year times 2 years, 14,006, 3 years, 21,009, 10 years, 73,000, compound interest, 78 grand. Save 20 a day and you always keep broke away. The reason why people don't have money is not how much money you get paid, it's how much money you save. I know people who work McDonald's minimum wage and they make more money than people make $40 an hour because they understand where they at. So they save trying to get higher. And then the people who make more money, they spend more money and they get more habits. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hey, good luck, good life. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you gotta save money. Without saving money, you got nothing to invest. That makes sense?
Yeah. That's
shout out to Bobby Brown and these guys. I am telling you, this man kill everything. This man kill everything. And it doesn't matter how much you earn. That is the point. That is the point. So the point here is that it doesn't matter how much you earn. I mean, I live in Nigeria. When I start to earn money, when I start to work as a young boy, I earned 20,000 naira. So 20,000 naira was about $15. But I can tell you, I was able to save a little by little. I don't spend everything. Sometimes I trek. So I woke up early and I go to work. I learned this thing early. So it doesn't matter how much you spend. I know you have small salary. I know you are complaining that the salary is not enough. I know you have family to take care of. You have yourself to take care of. You have a lifestyle to live. I know you have a lot of things to live. But fact is, you need to save as little as $20, as little as 20,000 naira. From that 100,000 salary, from that 50,000 salary, you need to save at least 5,000 naira. From that 1,000 naira salary, you need to save at least 100 naira. From that 100 naira salary, you need to save at least 1 naira. It is that simple. This man kill everything. The whole point here is that no matter how much you are earning, if you won't save enough, you will not be able to invest. I mean, you need money to invest. And forget all these gurus that tell you that you should have about 20 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand before you start investing. You can invest as little as $5. Saving and investment go hand in hand. It is when you are able to save some money, you begin to learn investing. And I believe you want to learn how investment work. Put your money to work for you. Your money will not multiply if it's not put to work. So from the little money you have, try to create your wealth from it. From the little money you have. And you can only do this by multiplying your money through investment. So what do you think about this? I know you have a lifestyle to live. I know you have a budget. I know you have your life. The compound interest is your advantage. Make use of it. So guys, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think below the comments. Do you think I invest the little money you have now and let the compound interest do its magic?